I am Megha Singh. I am from Electronics and Communication Department, and she is my teammate Anju Sunil as well from Electronics and Communication Department. Our project is to design and implement a 12-volt float charger. And what a float charger basically is, it is a charger which prevents a battery from overcharging. Generally, whenever we put our devices onto charging mode and we forget to disconnect the charger, the battery gets overcharged. The battery gets overcharged, and it has many consequences as the battery swells up and eventually the battery will die and its life will decrease. So this float charger is to prevent those conditions, and it does not let the overcharging of a battery to happen. Now she'll be explaining the components that we have used.
So this is a battery float charger. These two seen here are LM317, which is the variable voltage regulator. This is the IC, which is your LM358, and this voltage regulator next to it is your fixed voltage regulator, which is your LM7805. This is a relay switch, and the input is connected across the capacitor there, which is the step-down transformer, which is connected across the capacitor.
So how our circuit works is, we have the step-down transformer, which is 230 to 15 volt transformer, and it is connected across a bridge rectifier, which converts the AC into a DC for the working of our circuit. And this relay switch automatically cuts off when the battery is fully charged, and if the potential lowers a little bit, it will again continue charging the battery. So this is the working of our circuit, and here's the red LED which glows when it is in the charging condition. Now we'll show how our circuit works.
So the voltage regulator and the current limiter circuit are generally used to determine the value of different resistances and capacitors used in this circuit. Now Megha will explain how this works.
So when we switch on our circuit, the phone starts charging. This is the charging condition of the phone. So now the phone is charging and the red LED is glowing. Now when the phone will be completely charged, the green LED will glow, which will indicate us that the phone is completely charged, and relay will automatically cut off so that there is no overcharging of the battery. So this is our circuit, and this is our project which we have made.
The advantages of relay section is the overcharging of battery will be avoided, and it will also protect the circuit from short circuit. Thank you.